Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is about an accessory that I purchased recently from Amazon. The description of the accessory is mentioned in the description field. This accessory actually I purchased for my car, but I'm going to try it on my bike and let's see how does it sound. If you don't like it, don't forget to mention this in the description field, and if you like it, please mention it whether you like it and also why. This is a turbo whistle. This is usually used in a car to give a turbo effect, but I'm going to try this in my bike with a stock silencer. Ideally, this kind of a whistle will only work in a car or a Royal Enfield because of the way the silencer is designed. There are not much bikes that can hold this kind of a whistle, considering this is a large one. Guys, if you like it, don't forget to give a like. If you don't like it, it's not me, it's the whistle, so yet give it a like. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it. So let's see how do we fit this and what kind of a sound will come. So let's start. All that we need today is the whistle and the number 10 spanner. I'll show you how to fit it. This part will go directly inside the silencer. And all that we need to do is just screw it tight and then we just need to fix it. Now I'll just switch on the bike and show you the way it sounds. So let's see. So guys, I hope you like this video. I am going to put it for some time and then I will be removing it and putting back in my car. But if you like it and if you want to give it a try or you want to put it in your car, why not? Just give it a try. The link is there in the description field. Just click it, log in and buy it. It's not that costly, so you can always give it a try. I hope you have a good day and a healthy life. Enjoy.